Hi everybody. So in this video, we're going to look at finding the volume of a prism. So we'll work through two examples and then we'll try two exam style questions. And if you want to work along with me, you can download this PDF from my website. I'll leave a link below. So in example one, we're given that the diagram shows this triangular prism and we need to work out its volume. So when you work out the volume of a prism, we need to find the area of the cross section, which in this case is this triangle. Then we find this area and we multiply it by the depth. So the volume of a prism will always be the area of a cross section multiplied by the depth. So for this triangular prism, this will be the area of this triangle, which will be 1/2 of the base multiplied by the height. This is the standard equation for finding the area of a triangle. We know the base is 14 centimeters, and we're given the perpendicular height as 12 centimeters. So we can work this out as 7 multiplied by 12, and this will give us 84 centimeters squared. So the volume will be the 84 centimeters squared multiplied by the depth. And you can see this is for 22 centimeters. And when you multiply the 84 by the 22, we get 1,848. And when you multiply centimeters squared by the centimeters, we get the centimeters cubed. Okay? So this is the volume of a triangular prism. Let's try another example. So now we've been asked to work out the volume of this trapezoidal prism. You can see the cross section is this trapezium. So to find the volume, we need to find the area of this trapezium and then multiply that by the depth. So if we've got our cross section, we've got a length of 20 and 58 and a perpendicular height of 10. So the area will be the average length of the two parallel sides. So the 20 plus the 58 divided by 2 multiplied by the perpendicular height, which is 10. So we've got 78 divided by 2, which is 39, times this by 10, and we get an area of a cross section as 390 centimeters squared. So the volume will be the 390 multiplied by the depth, and you can see the depth is 75 centimeters. And this will give us a volume of 29,250 centimeters cubed. Okay, let's try some exam style questions. So in example 3, we're given that the diagram shows a hexagonal prism, and the volume of a prism is 54 centimeters cubed. We've been asked to work out the area of a base. So do you want to try this question yourself? You can pause the video and come back when you're ready. Okay, so welcome back if you had a go. So we're told that the volume is 54 meters cubed. This will be the area multiplied by the depth of the 6 meters. So if we divide both sides by the 6 meters, these two will cancel. 54 divided by 6 will give us 9, and meters cubed divided by meters will give us meters squared. So this will be the area of a base. Okay? Let's try one final question. So for example 4, we're given that the cross section of a prism is a right angled triangle, and the prism has a volume of 750 centimeters cubed. We need to work out the length of AB, which is this length here. So I'm assuming that you've experienced using Pythagoras' theorem. If you want to try this question yourself, you can pause the video and come back when you're ready. Okay, so welcome back if you had a go. So we're trying to find the length A to B. So we need to use Pythagoras' theorem, because we have a right angle here. And to use Pythagoras' theorem, we need to work out this length. I'll label this h. We can work out the perpendicular height using the volume. We know the 750 will equal the area of the cross-section, which is 1/2 of the base times the height, multiplied by the depth. So we can tidy this up as 5/2 times 25, and we can divide both sides by the 25. This will give us 30 is equal to 5/2 times h. And then we can divide both sides by the 5/2, or 2.5. So the perpendicular height will equal 12 centimeters. So now we've got our right angle triangle. We know the base is 5 and the height is 12. We can use Pythagoras' theorem to work out the hypotenuse. Got a right angle here. This will be the square root of the 5 squared plus the 12 squared. So this will be the square root of 169. A to B will be 13 centimeters. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download the full lesson and the PDF that accompanies this video from my website, mrmathematics.com. I'll leave a link below.